my pole this time.
Big birthday.
Look at him, he's laying right there.
Dive in there.
He's just laying there, you see him?
What is it?
Goliath grouper right there.
What?
That dark Goliath grouper, that dark brown spot on the bottom. Yep.
I can't fillet as good as that girl from Alaska.
Oh man.
She was so good. I'm gonna go see if Ben wants to. Another one.
Yeah, there's two of them. There's the third one right there.
Yeah, nice one, huh?
I see this giant group. I saw it.
Is there a password to get on the Wi-Fi here?
I don't know the password. You have to ask inside the office. Throw it in there.
You know, maybe you think if I take it over there to the dock, you take it over there to the dock, hand feed him?
I would just lay right here and do it. It's a big one.
Yeah.
You gonna try to hand feed the?
Yeah, I'm gonna wait on Jeremy to get back. Sometimes we hand feed him off that low dock over there.
Here he is.
Hey, Jeremy. Here, hold this camera. You want to feed him by hand or you want me to?
It don't matter.
All right. There's,
What are you gonna feed?
hopefully that grouper, not the barracuda.
Whoa, you didn't see that one coming, bro.
That's what always happens. That was the big grouper. He was hiding under the dock.
Oh, another one?
Waboosh.
Yeah. Did you see that?
Wow. Did you get that on the camera?
Yeah.
That's what happened last time. That big giant one was laying under here. Man. That's why the other one wasn't moving forward. He could see him. Keep filming this. They should be coming. Hey, John, throw me out that way.
Throw it that way?
Yeah.
Got this piece of skin. Back of those.
You good to go?
Yep.
Jimmy, you want to feed him?
What's
I don't know if you can feed that big one with that little piece. Let's see if he comes back around, though. I'll try and get it to him. He's right there. Okay, he's right there. Here he comes. You get it?
Few ones on the bottom. So they don't switch on the ones.
Kai, you knock these out next.
Yeah. Gentlemen? Yeah, I think she's coming out with us, guys. Nice.
Yeah, he's waiting on us to give him another one.
You want the carcasses, Gary?
I'm gonna toss them in, see if I can't get that grouper up.
Take it easy, guys.
Later.
Y'all too. Take care. Good to meet you. Okay, Jeremy, you ready? Where's the grouper? Just look for the big brown spot. I don't see him now. There he is. He's right here.
20-inch blacker.
I'll see if I can't get him a little further out next time. There he is, right down there. Yeah, there he is. Okay, you ready?
Yes.
Yeah, he's right here, going that way.
Had him on the head.
Yeah, he's sitting there. I can see his lip. We got one more body for him. He's waiting on us. Look, he's just sitting there looking at us. That pelican thinks he's gonna get one too. All right, hold on the brass. I'm gonna film you doing that one. I'm gonna get this grouper back up one more time. All right, Jeremy, you ready? Here he comes. All right, here we go.
The basketball is not so big.
Behind his head. Faces back down. Stick it all the way through.
Now it's nice out. Sun's out.
Yeah. I got pin bones that go all along their backbone. It's gonna be the same wind when we get back out there, though.
Cool.
Pretty neat.
Yep.
Here, slide up over here. Oh, I just don't. Guys are hard to get a hold of, though. Slippery fish. Slide across the table like a hockey puck.
All right. All right, Jeremy, here we go. Here he is. He's waiting on us. If you love fishing, please subscribe.